This is day one of the Mathews Ave crossing upgrade replacement. Not much to really, you see the guide rails, those are the old guide rails there. We're going to be putting those concrete pads right there. And they're removing that second track that goes from down to that switch, from that switch down there. Goes all the way down over the road and goes all the way down to the end there, down to where those guys are working. What they're planning to do is take that switch and move it over there, thus eliminating this second track here. And then once they remove the second track, they're going to move, let's try and see, that crossing signal right there over more closer to the main track. And they gotta also take down on the 2 track signs on this signal, that 2 track sign right there, and also the other 2 track sign over there on that signal. And when it's all said and done, in about a week or so, these will be there instead of those guide rails. That second track will be removed, and hopefully the cross will be much smoother. I was told there will be a train come through today. There's no speed restrictions, so hopefully I'll be back later this afternoon and get one coming through, if it's not too late. So that's all is really going on today. Not really much. But that switch down there is going to be taken out. And they're going to be moving it, like I said, down to there, where those guys are working. But yeah, crossing's all ripped up. The rails there. And those are new concrete pads. Let's see if I can zoom in. And so yeah, that's pretty much what they're doing. This is just day one, so they're not really doing much work. They might pull a rail up there. Looks like they're doing that. Tomorrow or Wednesday, I'll be here every day this week, but tomorrow Wednesday they will be, the signal crew will be here, so you get some good action there. But yeah, you can see they're working. And this is what they have, so this is just day one, sorry, of the work. I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Hopefully do even more work. From what I was told, they're putting down the concrete pads tomorrow, so we'll be able to see that. But yeah, it's day one of the Mathews Ave crossing repair at Mathews Ave in Riverdale, New Jersey. Over and out.